Hi, this is Justin from Whiting Services Heating and Air Conditioning. Today we have a commercial rooftop heat pump, and customers stating they're not getting any heat. Just got the panels open and I'm all set up, trying to find out what's going on. Walked up to the unit and nothing's going on. Not even a fan's running. Let's see. Got my meter set up. I see an obvious problem right here. Just looking around. I always look around first, and there's a wire here. It's burnt off. That definitely could be a problem. We probably got nothing up here. Let's see. Nothing on R. Probably got a tripped breaker. I don't even want to touch too much of this. Nothing. I bet you there's a breaker trip somewhere. Alright, well, let's see where that wire's going. I bet you this is running to the compressor, but could be to the fan. I think this stuff is fan. Let's see if we can trace this out a little bit. This is power coming in. Maybe the power coming in. Come in, go up through terminal block, and then maybe through the fuses. Not sure. Let's see what else we got. We got any fuses in here? Back here. Some extra wire. Looks like something's been done before. Yeah. Heat pack. Our fuses for our heat pack. I don't see any. Heat pack should be under there. Possible the heat pack shorted out, tripped the breaker. Maybe we can get them some heat if we can get the compressor running again. de-energize the unit for safety so I don't get hit. This amount of amperage can take you out. Defrost. I think that's okay. I'll probably just hit that with electrical tape. Those guys will be okay. Mm-hmm. We got blue, orange. Looks like this is going to be one leg of the compressor. Blue, orange. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. We're okay. Doesn't seem to be grounded out. Windings seem like they're probably okay. Okay. This came from somewhere, but you know what? Might be able to clean this up and splice on a new wire and run it up, put it in, and see what happens after I reset the breaker. Maybe it just had a loose connection there, create some heat. We'll see, I guess. I mean, I can't imagine. I don't think there's anything wrong with this harness. The wire all looks good. It's possible we just had a loose connection there and end up. Look at that. That could just be from. Yeah, I mean, it does feel like it's tight in there. Something happened. So, how long is this wire? Not super long. I'm not a big fan of wire nut splices on a compressor lead, but these folks need heat. What we got here? THHW. Ten gauge. Should be able to do it right in here. Man, looks like I could almost reach, but I gotta come through over here. Oh, this one's actually long enough. Let's see. me go get my flathead from the truck. Alright, got my flathead from the truck. Yeah. Alright, that's gonna work. So we're gonna put a new wire in that we got here. And see how it goes. I've had issues like this before with like a burned up wire, and I just put a new wire in and everything runs okay. So we're gonna see if that happens today. Because the compressor checks out. Alright. I'm going to leave this long. I'm not even going to cut it back just in case something does happen and burn up again. We got a little more slack. I'm going to cut this off. Just redo this end. Come on, baby. Doesn't want to come. There we go. Wire doesn't look that great right here. I'm gonna cut this back a little more and see what it looks like. That looks better. I suspect maybe they had an issue here similar to this before, and that's why there's some extra wire laying down there. This looks like it maybe not the first time this incident may have happened, because I see wires down there. It looks like they were spliced at some time. Who knows? Man. Jeez. Got it. The wire does look a little better. Get an Allen key. Uh-oh. Not sure what size Allen key this is going to be, but this might be metric. Uh-oh. Not sure if I got metric Allen keys in the truck right now. I might. Better go down and see what I got. It's gotta be a metric. Alright, let me run down and see what I got. Okay, I'm back. I got a good Allen key. Looking for my electrical tape, but not seeing it. Oh, there it is. Whew. Thought that was another trip down to the truck. Just gonna tape these up. I think they're okay. That one looks like it may have gotten a little bit melted. So, don't know if that affected whatever this is attached to. I'm gonna have to figure it out. DFT, defrost temperature, maybe. I'll look that up. Let's see what it is. But do this. We're gonna just try to wire tie this out of the way. Not a very good spot. Man, that is not good at all. I don't like the way it's sitting in here. That's not good. Tie that up. Yeah, it's kind of like rubbing up on here. That's going to be a problem later. Maybe I can throw a little insulation tape right in between there. Give it a little foam pad for it to sit on. Okay. Now, do this other one. So DFT1, DFT2. That'll do it. Keep these guys out of the way. Still a little bit of old wire in there. Let's see if I can get it out. It's like in there. I'm trying to get that old crap out. There we go. Looking much better. Okay. Let's see if I can get that out a little farther. Doesn't want to go too far. I think we're okay. There's still some Some old stuff stuck in there. Get that out. Good. Pretty snug. Shut this guy. See what happens. And I'll put some of these other doors back on. This one. And we'll put the fan doors back on. Oh, look at this. Extra pulley. Doesn't even look bad. Must be though. Must have replaced it for a reason, but it doesn't look that bad. Oh well. Panels I got left here. This guy goes up top. This guy. Alright, I'm gonna go see if I can get this breaker reset, which I'm sure is tripped. And I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went down and found all the breakers on. And so I came back up. I checked this guy over here, which was tripped. Reset it. And I could hear it didn't sound too good. It seemed like it was trying to single phase maybe. Sounded like I had a leg that wasn't working, so I turned it back off, checked all those fuses, I wrung them all out, and I found one, this guy here, that was no good. And this wasn't even on the leg that burned up. It was on another leg of the same transformer. So I replaced that, It's possible something could have happened. Maybe this thing overheated. Something happened internally, and instead of the fuse blowing, it just melted that wire maybe. Doesn't feel hot. So I'm going to take an amp reading and just make sure things look okay. Other than that, I think we're back in business. I'm going to take a temperature reading and see what happens. Let it run for another day or so, see if it goes down again. It's about the end of the day now, so it's going to get pretty dark up here soon, and they're leaving for the day anyway. And that's basically it. Like I said, I'm going to take an amp reading and just make sure it looks like what it should be. Then we'll go from there. Hopefully it's just a fluke and we had a loose wire, and they should be good to go. Heat's on, so I'm going to take some temperature readings and then pack up, and tomorrow's another day. Thank you very much, and give us a call for any residential or commercial heating or air conditioning needs. Thank you.